Located in the Chiricahua Mountains, Cave Creek Road connects Route 181 on the west side of the range with the town of Portal on the east. This is a bidirectional road, so it can be accessed on either side of the range. We started our ride on the west side, turning off of Route 181 onto Pioneer Canyon Road just before we entered into the Chiricahua National Monument. Pioneer Canyon Road turns into Forest Service Road 42, also known as Cave Creek Road. While most of the road is in pretty good shape, we hit some severe washboarding early onto the road, so we stopped and aired down our tires to soften the ride. This road isn't so much of an off-road trail as it is just a dirt road through the mountains. That said, even though we did pass a few cars and a Class C RV on the trip, I wouldn't recommend this road for a street car on low-profile tires. What this turned out to be was a very scenic drive through the mountains. We encountered numerous deer and squirrels on the road, and the foliage was very green due to a proper monsoon season. There were numerous waterfalls and streams along the route as well, but they were sometimes only visible downhill through the greenery and not really accessible. We did find a stream to take lunch at, but that was on the eastern side, almost into Portal. The Chiricahua Mountains, located in southeastern Arizona and within a few miles of New Mexico, are part of the Sky Island complex of mountains. They are the largest of the Sky Islands, but only the second highest, with Chiricahua Peak maxing out at 9,759 feet. Upper elevations are dominated by ponderosa pine, Douglas fir, and white fir, with a few dense stands of Engelmann spruce on the north-facing slopes. The geology of the range resembles rolling hills atop a plateau with steep, craggy slopes with dissected canyons and absolutely incredible rock formations. The Chiricahua Wilderness Area encompasses 87,700 acres and is home to a diverse plant and animal habitat with some of the most spectacular geology in the Southwest. The Chiricahua National Monument features hiking trails amongst towering rock spires. The eastern side of the trail, close to Portal, brings you through Cave Creek, where you're surrounded by towering cliffs and incredible rock formations. There is a Forest Service campground in the area, and would be a perfect place to camp, soak in the sights, and revel in the wonder of this area. This concludes this adventure, and I think this is a must-do drive if you're in the area. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.